Spring is probably one of my most favorite seasons. Welcome, hello, how is everyone? Welcome to a very springy vlog. Today I really want to romanticize spring to the fullest. We're kind of getting to the end of spring, not gonna lie, but I just want to take advantage of it whilst we're still in it. In between winter, in between summer, spring is probably one of my most favorite seasons, not gonna lie. Let me know what your favorite season is in the comments. But I wanted to just take a day to do some typical spring activities, or just like romanticize a little bit, as I love to do. And I love to show also how easy it is to romanticize your life and turn a boring day into a fun one, a beautiful one. Seeing how you can transform even mundane moments into pretty beautiful, fun moments. I already went on a little thrift outing trip, I don't know what to call it, so I'll insert those clips here. And of course, I need to show you what I got, but let me first show you the outfit I'm wearing. I haven't worn this top in so long, low-key since last summer, and I find it so summery and springy and I love it so much. So I went for the top and then this wide belt that I actually literally thrifted just a few days ago. And it's also in this like suede material. Love the color combo going on here, and then just some wide leg jeans. But let me show you what I ended up finding at the thrift store. First up, I got this like coffee table book. I don't really know, it's quite a thick book and pretty heavy too, but it has some really cool photos in it. Some are kind of like fashiony, others are just like in the moment scenes, very cool. I could kind of have this book on a table displayed as it is, or open it up and display like whatever spread there is. There are so many different to choose from, but I thought it was super cool, so I got that for 15 euros. Then I got a little bed or little couch, I don't know what to call it, for my dog, which was so adorable. And I'm not going to use it for here, but in another house. But anyways, I got my dog a little bed and it's so cute, and she tried it out. I think she likes it. It also currently probably has the smell of another dog on it, so she was like so curious. But it was so adorable. And then this next item that I got is so spring. It screams spring. Okay, wait. I ended up getting the little blazer that I tried on. I don't know if it's a blazer or a jacket or whatever. This color just screams spring. I'm so obsessed with it. Like, are you kidding me? And like, it fits so well. It's yellow. It's even from the brand Cacharel, if you can see that here. And I only learned today after buying this that was a famous French brand, French fashion house like Chanel and Dior and all those things, but like it closed down. So, but it was that, and I found it, and it was 57 euros. So, you know, not the cheapest, but so cute, so good quality. It doesn't have any issues. There's no marks or scratches or dirtiness like at all. Like, it looks brand new. Such a good find. Enough of that. I'm gonna go buy a few items and we are gonna do more spring stuff together. Let's go. up getting a few flowers, and I thought we can make a nice little spring bouquet together. I also have this random vase. I think there's like grapes on it. Could be cute. I bought 2 different types of flowers. First, a spring classic tulips, and then these, it says iris on them, but I actually don't really know what it is. But I thought these could look cute together. Plus these have like a little pop of yellow, which is cute. But I thought we could make our own flower bouquet. So that's exactly what we're getting into now. I don't know if I can fit all of these in here, maybe just a few. We'll cut them down a little bit. We'll get into it. I want to start with the tulips first, because I definitely want lots of those. I'll be back when I've made some progress. And the last little flower. You cannot tell me that this does not give off the best spring vibes ever. Let's add some water, put it on a table, and the spring vibes, they are set. I also made sure to get a lot of flowers kind of closed, because then over the next few days they'll open up and they will stay looking great for multiple days and not just die after one day. And right after that, I directly left my house to go outside on a little walk with my dog. But even if you don't have a dog, this is your sign to also just go outside, get some fresh air, try and notice things around you, like what you're seeing, what you're hearing, what you're smelling. Really focus on being in the moment and appreciating it all. Store, I didn't only buy flowers, I also got a few lemons, because I thought it's hot outside. I didn't feel like baking because I've been baking so much recently, so I was like, I need a little break with that. Let's make lemon juice, because when the world gives you lemon, make lemon juice or something like that. My dad recently bought this super high-tech juicer, so if I can get this to work, I should manage to make hopefully like the best lemonade ever. I think it's working. I do just want to say that this is like the first recipe that came up when I searched it up on Pinterest, so I have no idea if this is going to be good. But I feel like it's a good color. That is actually so good. I think I did need to add a little bit more water, so I think I need to do that. And I would low-key do less sugar because it does not need that much. But overall, so good, so refreshing. Such a perfect drink. Spring or summer that's coming up, I will be making this a lot. The other day I did buy this little picnic blanket, and I thought since it's still light out, perfect opportunity to use it for the first time. It says that it has 2 layers, so there's this one with like the flowers, and I think the inside is like a really light purple and white stripe pattern. I don't know, but I thought, let's open this up, go outside, and enjoy this sun. I thought since we are sitting here enjoying the sun, I have my beverage, I have my amazing lemon juice with me, put it up here to be a little more safe. but I thought might as well get all of our daily vitamins and great supplements all in 1 or 2 gulps with this magic drink here by Magic Mind. I've been trying these out for, I would say, a week or 2 now. They are a mental performance shot that you drink either just like this as a shot or with fizzy water and ice or oat milk and ice. You can choose the way you prefer to. Basically, they have lots of amazing ingredients like ashwagandha, matcha, lots of vitamins, turmeric, all that stuff in this one drink to help you perform better, be more productive, procrastinate less. All the things you love are in this drink, and you can use the code NatashT20 to get a discount on their website. I'll make sure to link everything in the link down below if you're interested. But I did mention these in another video, and I just wanted to give you an update that I definitely feel like they make me more productive. I really feel like my procrastination has not been thriving lately, which we love. And I also love that it's so small, it's so quick to drink, and I don't have to take like lots of vitamins in pill form or this and that. Literally everything is in this drink, so totally recommend. Check it out in the description down below, and let's continue enjoying this lovely picnic vibe. I will say that this is my designated spot in the garden. Usually I'll come out here, read my book, maybe tan, and I am right by the pool, so very zen vibes. I wouldn't say it's warm enough to actually take a dip in the pool, but you know, I'll maybe dip my foot in, like my toe. Currently I am reading See You Yesterday by Rachel Lynn together with some friends. We have like a little book club, really cute. I'm on I'm about to start chapter 14. It really feels like a smooth, nice, lightweight read. Let me know what you are currently reading in the comments down below. If you have any recommendations, definitely drop those too. Now, what is a spring video without a little spring cleaning or tidying up a little bit? Because I feel like my room needs that. I've got some stuff on my bed, clean laundry folded there that I need to put away, and a little tidy up is due. Usually this takes way less time than you would expect, and it feels so good to have like a nice, clean, fresh room so that tomorrow when I wake up in my room, it's tidy, everything is where it's supposed to be. Life like feels easier. Now I feel good. If you've come this far into the video, comment down below where you are from, and also don't forget to check out Magic Mind. All the info is down in the description down below. But with that said, I'm gonna leave you guys here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired you to romanticize your life too, whether that's for this spring season or just like the mundane days, trying to make them more fun, romanticize them, make them interesting. Even if it's like the smallest thing of just lighting a candle for dinner, do it. I'm gonna leave you guys here, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.